Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this. Now click sign in. And you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now you have to enter your email address. And then click next. And here you have to enter your password. And now click I agree. Now click accept. And then click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Now click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next, and here you have to click allow. Then click next, and click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.